A coil has an inductance of 2.5 Henry and a resistance of 0.5 R. If the coil is suddenly connected across a 6-volt battery, then the time required for the current to rise 0.63 of its final value is. Now for the condition given circuit is, let's say we have a coil like this. We are making a coil. So this is a coil like this. It has some resistance which is small r given to be 0.5 R. This is the resistance of the coil and the value of L is equal to 2.5 Henry, right? And if it is suddenly connected to a battery like this, okay, which has the EMF value E is equal to 6 volts, perfect. So now they are asking the time required. So basically current will start flowing in the circuit like this. So time required for the current to rise 0.63 of its final value. So say, let's say final value of the current is I naught, which we can also represent in steady state. Okay, so both are same things, steady state current or final current, right? So they are asking that I is equal to I naught into 0.63, which is 0.63 I naught. So first of all we need to find out the expression. So suppose that the current I is flowing like this in this circuit. So it is actually crossing like this. So I can write applying KVL for the closed circuit, right? So if you apply KVL for the closed circuit, you get E minus L di by dt, that is the value of EMF, minus I into small r, or let's say capital R. As of now, if I assume this is equal to capital R, that should be equal to 0. First of all, I am finding the expression, right? So now I can write that E minus IR will be is equal to L di by dt. Now what can I do? I can keep dt upon L one side and di upon E minus IR one side. Now what you have to do, you need to integrate. So on integrating both sides, okay, so I'm writing here on integrating. So if you integrate, time limits are 0 to t. Let's say initially there is no current and finally there is a current which is I at any instant of time. Now we need to solve this integral, right? So if you want to solve this integral, you will get 1 upon L will be outside, this will be dt, 0 to t will be equal to the integration of this expression E minus IR will give you ln E minus IR. Now the differentiation of this term, so divide the differentiation of this term which will be 0 minus IR will give you R, perfect, and limits are 0 to I. So now if you substitute it, so you can take this 0 minus R or minus R like this. So minus R by L, this will give you T. If you put the limits, you get E minus IR minus ln E, right? Because I is 0 in that second case. So now what I can write, minus T upon L by R will be equal to ln E minus IR divided by E, perfect. Now let me remove these things. So I am removing this segment which I don't need right now. So I am very close to getting this expression. I should suggest you to remember this formula because it is highly important. Okay, so minus one thing, L by R can be written as tau, okay, which is time constant, which we define as time constant. So we can represent minus t by tau is equal to ln. This will become E minus IR divided by E only. So I can write e to the power minus t by tau will be equal to E minus IR divided by E. So from there I can find E minus IR will be is equal to E into e to the power minus t by tau. So from this expression IR will be is equal to E 1 minus e to the power minus t by tau, which gives us I is equal to E upon R 1 minus e to the power minus t by tau. So this E by R will become become I naught. So I naught 1 minus e to the power minus t by tau. This is the final value. Okay. So we got the formula I is equal to I naught 1 minus e to the power minus t by tau. This is highly important expression. Okay. If you know this expression, it is very recommended to apply this expression directly to get the final answers. So now put the values. What values you want to put? So we get that I naught should be is equal to 0.63 and I naught, which will be I naught 1 minus e to the power minus t by tau. Tau we defined L by R, so the value of L is 2.5 Henry divided by 0.5, so 0.5 R, so which will be nothing else, the value 0.5 not R, this is 0.5 ohm, so which will be 5, so tau is 5 seconds. So if you put the values, I naught will be cancelled out. This will be 0.63 is equal to 1 minus e to the power minus t by 5. So from there I can get e to the power minus t by 5 is equal to 1 minus 0.63, which will be approximately 0.37, right? So if you see this will be e to the power minus 1 only. So that should give you minus t by 5 will be is equal to minus 1. This is cancelled out. T is equal to 5 seconds. Okay. So this is highly important question. If you know this formula directly for the charging case, you can directly apply and put the values. You can solve this question very fast. Otherwise, you need to derive this expression. Okay. So which option should be the right choice? Option number 4 is the right choice. Okay. Yeah.